Smart ICRSS features remote control for any of your pan, tilt, and zoom cameras added to the software. To control your PTZ camera, navigate to the Live View section of Smart ICRSS on the device tree to the left, double left-click or drag and drop a PTZ or motorized zoom camera to a Live View box. Select the window by double-clicking it. A white box will appear on the image when selected. Left-click on the PTZ tab on the bottom right to open the PTZ control panel. Here you can find a directional pad that you can left-click to move the PTZ up, down, left, or right. The step slider bar controls the speed of the PTZ movement. The magnifying glass with plus and minus symbol are used for zoom in and out respectively. You will also have focus and iris controls. Left-clicking on the More Functions tab will display options such as presets, tours, pan, and scan. The 3D positioning toggle allows you to create a box within the live view. The PTZ will then move and zoom into the box created. The mouse simulator toggle allows you to move the PTZ by left-clicking and dragging the mouse, as well as using the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Selecting the PTZ menu button will allow you to toggle the on-screen display menu of certain cameras. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit ICRealtime.com.